Good morning. This is Dr. Huang from West Chase Wellness Chiropractor Center. We're going to demonstrate what a chiropractic adjustment looks like in my office so you can see how it works. Okay, here we go. We're going to adjust the neck, mid back, and low back on him, and we're going to also work on the low back here at the same time. We use this table. This table allows is a drop-in table. And the technique is actually called a Thompson technique on it. And we do this technique to bring the curvature back from that person. The person has this loss of curvature. We use this technique for that. Here, it really helps a little upper back when the person works on the computer very often and typically have a little poor posture, and this allows the spine to move the right direction. There we go, very nicely here. Very nice here. Good, excellent here. This technique works wonderful. I'm combining several techniques into one because when you come in, you don't just go get one technique. We do multiple techniques here. Our goal here in West Chase Wellness Chiropractic Center is to improve your quality of life, stop the wear and tear to your joints so you have better mobility for the future. So this looks pretty even. It's a slightly off a little bit on the right leg. He's typically right leg short. I'm gonna work on the hip for him right now. And what I'm doing is calibrate the weight of his the table so we can drop the technique correctly on his hip. And this is the area that he can play the most right now. Is his right low back. And by doing that, his hip looks a lot better. I like to compress and see there's some resistance. He felt resistance right there on the right leg. So I'm going to work on that now. Awesome there. Good. Excellent there. Excellent there. Good. Awesome there. Good, thank you. Awesome there. Good. Now we'll come back here and just check the feet again. Looks good. I'm gonna compress a little bit. Much better. Still a little bit off, so I'm gonna work a little bit on the right side. Good. Good, that was good. Let's go check that again. Good. Oh, that was much better. And the flexibility came back on the right side, is what I want. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna adjust his low to upper back. Can you take a deep breath in? Hold your breath, hold it. Good, that was a nice one. That was a nice one. Good. I'm gonna come around here and get the other side. Awesome there. Don't turn on each side for me. Perfect. Good. Just relax here. Good. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Other side for me. Extend. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Awesome there. On your back, face up. Good. Squeeze out just a little bit. Do a little more. Perfect. Just like that. Typically, like to do a little hug move on the patient. Just helps move the upper thoracic area on the patient. Good. That was a good one. Good. Awesome. Woo, that was a nice one. Put a smile on his face. That's awesome. Just relax. Good. Good. Very nice. Let's go other side. Just relax. Awesome there. Woo, that's a nice sound. All right. Pretty soon he gonna be a Palmer basketball. That's how we do. That's how we do it. Good.
And what is it that you're doing now?
Here, working up the upper chest cavity to help open up a little bit here. Embrace the chiropractic adjustment from the back side. And here also get the rib at the same time. Here's the ankle adjustment here. Good, thank you. The knee adjustment, very good. I'm gonna adjust the hip. Okay, that was perfect. Awesome. Good. Just relax. Awesome there. Awesome there. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. This just works well because I'm gonna put the head right back into the proper position. Love that one. And then next thing we're gonna do is to call the Y strap. We're gonna use the Y strap to distract the spine, get the pressure off the nerve. Lower down the table a little bit so get the perfect angle for the neck. So take the pressure off the spinal cord. Oh, that was a nice one. Whew. He's a taller person today. Oh, I like that. With a smile on his face. I love that too. Next thing we'll do, we're going to adjust his neck. Just relax here. Oh, perfect. That's for the other side. Nice sound there. Nice sound. Very good. 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 All right. Sit up for me. Good. Turn that way. Don't move here. Got a few more things to do. Here I checked the mobility of the neck, so he's a little restricted on his left first bone of the neck. I'll adjust that to free up the head tilt. Good. I feel the restricted. No, that's so much better. Better mobility. I'm gonna adjust your shoulder. Good. Good. That was a nice one. Good. All right. That was a really good. All right, Brian. Tell people out there how it's been since you've been here, and just tell the progress you've been doing. Go ahead.
Okay, I've been coming here this is my 3rd week. So when I first came in, it was my lower back problem that really restricted me from being able to sleep. So after a really, really rough night that I only got around 2 hours of sleep, I came here to this office. And since then, they've been really helpful. They've given me steps throughout the way, and the chiropractor has really been helpful. This is my first experience with chiropractic in general. So I'm in my 30s. This is my first time trying it, and I see the results. So it's been a really good experience here. And everybody here is very helpful. I mean, the support, the staff, the doctor, I mean, everyone has been really helpful and very friendly. So I really enjoyed my experience coming here.
Awesome, awesome. Well, please like us, subscribe, hit the like button, and share the video. Thank you very much. Have a great day.